In this guide, we are going to demonstrate how to set up and test webhooks in Picky Assist to receive incoming WhatsApp messages and deliver and read report events in real time. Before getting started, make sure you have a WhatsApp channel successfully connected with Picky Assist. The webhook will only receive data if the channel is active and able to send and receive messages. Webhooks allow Picky Assist to send HTTP post requests to your server whenever a message or event occurs. This can be used for automated replies, CRM integrations, monitoring message delivery, and reporting. Accessing the webhook settings. The process begins by logging in to your Picky Assist account. From the main menu, navigate to Developers, then Webhook. In this section, you can configure and manage webhook integrations for your account. Then add a webhook URL. Once inside the webhook section, you will see a field to enter your webhook URL. This URL is the endpoint on your server where Picky Assist will send post requests for incoming messages or event updates. Paste the full webhook URL provided by your server into this field. Select the webhook type. Picky Assist provides two webhook types. Global webhook. The global webhook is used to handle incoming WhatsApp messages from users. Whenever a user sends a message to your connected WhatsApp number, the message data is immediately sent to your webhook URL in JSON format. Picky Assist also supports an optional synchronous response for global webhooks. If your server can generate a reply within 5 seconds, you can return the response in JSON format. Picky Assist will instantly send this reply back to the user without requiring an additional API call. This helps reduce response time and server load. You can go help.pickyassist.com and navigate to Global Webhook and Event Webhook to get a sample JSON format for all webhook types, including the JSON response you need to give in order to send an instant reply back. If smart replies are online and webhook is enabled for a channel, the global webhook will not be triggered for incoming messages. This behavior is intentional and designed to avoid duplicate message processing. Since smart replies already handle incoming messages, global webhooks are skipped to prevent the same message from being sent to multiple endpoints. To ensure proper webhook behavior, enable either smart replies webhook or global webhook, not both for the same message flow. Choose the webhook based on your use case to avoid duplication issues. Event Webhook. The Event Webhook is used to handle system-generated events such as message delivery status, read receipts, failed messages, session updates. Event webhooks are useful for tracking message performance, updating CRMs, generating reports, dynamic routing for failed messages like failover to SMS, or triggering internal workflows. Unlike global webhooks, event webhooks do not send messages back to users. They are strictly used for monitoring and reporting purposes. Saving the webhook configuration. After entering the webhook URL and selecting the appropriate webhook type, click Save to store your configuration. Once saved, the webhook becomes active and Picky Assist will start sending data to your server whenever the corresponding events occur. Let's test the webhook. Generate a webhook URL. Open webhook.site in your browser. A unique webhook URL will be automatically generated. Copy this webhook URL. Paste webhook URL in Picky Assist. In the global webhook URL field, paste the webhook URL copied from webhook.site. Click Save to activate the webhook. Send a message from WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Send a message, for example, "Hi," to the WhatsApp number connected with Picky Assist. Verify incoming message on webhook.site. Switch back to webhook.site. The incoming WhatsApp message will appear instantly. The message will be displayed in JSON format, confirming that the global webhook is receiving data correctly. Synchronous reply back WhatsApp messages. Open a new tab and go to help.pickyassist.com. Navigate to Developers, then Global Webhook Documentation. Copy the sample JSON response provided for Synchronous Response. Configure Synchronous Response in webhook.site. Return to webhook.site. Click on Edit Response. Paste the copied JSON response into the response editor. Save the response configuration. Test instant reply. Send another message from WhatsApp to the connected number. The webhook will return the configured JSON response. Picky Assist will immediately send the reply back to the user. Ensure the response is returned within 5 seconds, otherwise the message will not be delivered. Testing Event Webhook, Delivery and Read Events. On webhook.site, copy the same or generate a new webhook URL. Paste Event Webhook URL in Picky Assist. Go back to Picky Assist to Developers to Webhook. Paste the webhook URL into the event. Webhook URL field. Click Save. Trigger events from Picky Assist. Send a WhatsApp message from Picky Assist to any user. Wait for the message to be delivered. Verify events on webhook.site. Open webhook.site. You will start receiving event payloads in JSON format. These events include message ID, event status, sent, delivered, read, failed, timestamp, recipient number. This confirms that the event webhook is working correctly. Verify message reports in Picky Assist. Go back to your Picky Assist dashboard. Navigate to Reports. Open the Message Report section. Here you can view all messages sent via global webhook synchronous responses, sent from Teambox. The report will show message status such as sent, delivered, read, or failed, confirming that messages triggered through webhooks are properly tracked. Managing webhooks. Webhook configurations can be edited, disabled, or deleted at any time from the webhook settings page. Picky Assist also supports retry logic. If your server does not respond with an HTTP 200 status within 180 seconds, the system will retry sending the webhook event to ensure no critical updates are lost due to temporary failures. The system will retry as per the below cycle. First retry at 1 minute. Second retry at 15 minutes. Third retry at 2 hours. Fourth retry at 6 hours. If an HTTP 200 response is not received even after the fourth retry, the webhook event will be permanently retired and no further retries will be attempted. By following these steps, your webhook will be fully configured to receive incoming WhatsApp messages and system events, enabling real-time automation, monitoring, and integrations within your WhatsApp business workflow.